Can you take care of your own swimming pool? Like, assuming you've never done something like this before, you're just tired of paying for this, or you just don't have the money, or whatever the case is. Is it reasonable to think that you can do this for yourself? The answer is definitely yes. Like, this is just a matter of investing yourself. If you're willing to invest yourself, and I mean, it's not like getting a university degree here. You just need to invest and learn a little bit about the water chemistry, a little bit about how to interact with the pool equipment, pump, filter, heater, and a little bit about how to, scoop leaves, how to work the vacuum, where the skimmer basket is, because you're going to need to take the leaves out of it. Like, that's more or less it. And the truth is once you have all that down, so like, let's just pretend like your learning curve was last summer. This is next summer for you. It's gonna be minutes a week. You just like a couple things while you're walking by, scoop like an hour on Sundays, you vacuuming and doing some water chemistry adjustments. It's so little work overall. So it's really just about getting over the hump with it. There is some chemistry. Like, I mean, nobody likes having to learn chemistry by force, but you know what? It's worth it. You own a swimming pool. You want to be confident with the water chemistry. You don't want to be dependent on other people because sometimes there's questionable advice out there. And it's really frustrating to be dealing with things like chronic water problems. You just want to go swimming. It's just like it seems like you're just dumping money into it. You solve that entirely just by learning the fundamentals of chemistry. And we're talking like if you really applied yourself, like a good solid weekend, and you could really get your head around it, which is not a lot of investment. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.